GST, Goods and Services Tax, Indian Contract Act 1872, Kerala PSC question paper for departmental exam, PSC exams, UPSC exams, UGC NET exam, SET, in-service exams, degree PG level exams and various other exams. MCQ, multiple choice questions. Final answer key, paper Goods and Services Tax, Indian Contract Act 1872. Date of test 7/11/2022. Question number 1. One of the purpose of the Central Goods and Services Tax Bill 2070 is dash. Answer: to simplify and harmonize the indirect tax regime in the country. Question number 2. The Central Goods and Services Tax the Central Goods and Service Act extends to dash. Answer: whole of India. Question number 3. An agent can be a person who is dash under Central Goods and Services Act if he carries on the business of supply or receipts of goods or services or both on behalf of the another. Answer: an auctioneer, a broker, a commission agent. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Question number 4. Appellate authority means an authority appointed or authorized to hear appeals as referred to in section dash. Answer: 107. Answer: 107. Question number 5. Competent authority under Central Goods and Service Act will be notified by, I repeat, question number 5. Competent authority under Central Goods and Service Act will be notified by, answer, the government. Question number 6. The liability to pay tax by recipient of supply of goods or services or both instead of the supplier is called, answer, C, reverse charge. Answer: reverse charge. Question number 7. Dash means the supply of goods or services which constitutes the predominant element of a composite supply. Answer: principal supply. Question number 8. Who among the following is not part of administration as per Central GST Act? Answer: zonal commissioner. Options: A, principal chief commissioner. Option B, chief commissioner. Option C, joint commissioner. Option D, zonal commissioner. Answer: D, zonal commissioner. Question number 9. Returns under Central GST Act is dealt with in chapter dash. Answer: 9. Question number 10. Interstate supply as per Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act does not include supply where the supplier and recipient are located in dash. Answer: a union territory. Question number 11. When the supplier and recipient of taxable goods are located in the same state, the component or components of GST applicable will be, answer, Central GST and State GST. Question number 12. How is application for registration for GST taken up? Answer: GST Common Portal. Question number 13. On getting GST registration, GST number with dash characters will be given. Answer: 15. Question number 14. A non-resident taxable person shall electronically submit an application in dash for registration. Answer: GST REG 09. I repeat, answer: GST REG 09. Question number 15. Value of supply of goods or services where consideration not wholly in money, the value of supply shall be, answer, market value. Question number 16. Every registered person before commencement of movement of goods or goods of consignment value exceeding 50,000 rupees has to furnish information relating to the said goods in form GST. Answer: EWB 01. Question number 16. Every registered person before commencement of movement of goods or consignment value exceeding 50,000 rupees has to furnish information relating to the said goods in form GST. Answer: EWB 01. Question number 17. An article worth rupees 1,000 attracts central GST at 9%, then the state GST rate will be answer 9%. Question number 18. Documents and services to be carried by a person documents and devices to be carried by a person in charge of a conveyance are included in Rule Dash of Central GST Act. Answer 138A. I repeat, answer 138A. Question number 19. Application for registration as tax deductor at source or tax collector at source is given form. Answer GST REG 07. Question number 20. Form GST RFD 01 is for dash as per CGST rule. Answer refund. I repeat, question number 20. Form GST RFD 01 is for dash as per CGST rule. Answer refund. Question number 21. Input tax available in the form of central tax in the electronic credit ledger can be utilized for the payment of answer central tax first and the remaining amount for integrated tax. Question number 22. Interest for delayed payment of GST is limited to answer 18%. Question number 23. Return for tax deducted at source is given in form answer GSTR 7. Question number 24. Form GSTR 1 is used for furnishing details of answer outward supplies. Question number 24. Form GSTR 1 is used for furnishing details of answer outward supplies. Question 25. As per the Kerala State Goods and Services Act 2017, what is address on record? Answer address of the recipient in the record of the supplier. Question number 26. Form and manner of submission of monthly return by registered person is covered under Rule Dash Central GST Rule. Answer 61. Question number 27. Which of the following condition or conditions to be satisfied by a person who opts for composition levy? Answer. He shall mention the words composite taxable person on every notice. Question number 28. An article produced in a union territory and is sold it in the same union territory attracts GST at 5%. If the price of the article is rupees 500, the buyer has to pay answer rupees 525. 525. Question number 29. Which of the following documents cannot be used for claiming input tax credit? Answer self-attested declaration in stamp paper. Question number 30. The findings of the special audit is communicated to the registered person in form GST. Answer ADT 04. Question number 31. Input service distributor has to file return in form dash containing the details of tax invoices on which credit has been received. Answer GSTR 6. Question number 32. How many sections are there in Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act 2017? Answer 25. Question number 32. How many sections are there in Integrated Goods and Services Tax Act 2017? Answer 25. Question number 33. Government as per the Union Territory Goods and Services Tax Act means answer the administrator or any authority or officer authorized to act as administrator. Question number 34. Which year shall be taken as the base year for the purpose of calculating compensation amount payable to state? Answer 2015 16. I repeat 2015 16. 2015 16. 2015 16. 2015 2016 financial year. Question number 35. Input tax cannot be availed when payment is made in pursuance of any order where any demand has been confirmed on account of answer any fraud, willful misstatement, suppression of facts, all of the above. Answer all of the above. Question number 36. A notice in the form GSTR 3A shall be issued to a registered person who fails to answer furnish return. Question number 13. I repeat. A notice in the form GSTR 3A shall be issued to a registered person who fails to answer furnish return. Question 37. Which rule deals with the provisions relating to a goods and service tax practitioner in the central GST rules? Answer 83. Question number 38. Which is not a register that is associated with payment of GST? Answer electronic asset register. I repeat, question number 38. Which is not a register that is associated with the payment of GST? Answer electronic asset register. Question number 39. Which is not a GST percentage rate? Answer 41. Options. Answer options. A 41, B 12, C 18, D 28. Correct answer A 41. Question number 40. Which of the following is not treated as supply of goods or supply of services? Answer options. Any lease, tenancy, letting out of building, service by employee to the employer in course of his employment. Correct answer. Service by employee to the employer in course of his employment. Question number 41. Dash means a broker, an agent or any other person who arranges or facilitates the supply of goods or services or both as per the Integrated GST Act. Answer. Correct answer. Intermediary. I repeat, correct answer intermediary. Question number 42. Which form is used for intimation application for withdrawal from composition levy? Answer GST CMP 04. Correct answer GST CMP 04. Question number 43. Activity related to funeral is dash as per Central GST Act. Neither service nor supply. Sorry. Correct answer neither service nor supply. Question 44. Fine for failure to furnish statistics related to return may extend to dash as per CGST Act. Answer rupees 10,000. Question number 45. Question number 45. Who is not an appellate authority as per Central GST rule? Question 45. Who is not an appellate authority as per Central GST rule? Answer Principal Commissioner. Appeals. I repeat, question number 45. Who is not an appellate authority as per Central GST rules? Answer Principal Commissioner. Appeals. Question number 46. Which of the method is not allowed to deposit money in electronic cash ledger? Answer money order. Question number 47. Which chapter deals with the offences and penalties in Central Goods and Services Tax rules? Answer 14. Correct answer 14. Question number 48. When did GST come into effect? Answer 1/7/2017. Question number 49. Communication and rectification of discrepancy in details furnished by the e-commerce operator and the supplier is defined under Rule Dash of Central GST Rules 2017. Answer 79. Correct answer 79. Question number 50. In GST number, the first two characters stands for answer state code. Question number 51. Which section provides for the constitution of Consumer Welfare Fund for the welfare of consumers in the Central GST Act? Answer 57. I repeat, question number 51. Which section provides for the constitution of Consumer Welfare Fund for the welfare of consumers in the Central GST Act? Answer 57. Question number 52. The claim for the refund is to be made before the expiry of dash years. Answer 2. Question number 53. A taxable person who makes excess claim for A taxable person who makes excess claim of input tax shall pay interest on excess claim at such rate not exceeding dash percentage person as may be notified by the government. Answer 24. Question number 54. Any person aggrieved by any order passed by the national regional benches of the appellate tribunal can file an appeal to dash. Answer Supreme Court. Question number 55. Which of the following is not an offence as per the Central GST Act? Answer. Displaying GST number in a prominent manner. Question number 56. I repeat, question number 55. Which of the following is not an offence as per the Central GST Act? Correct answer. Displaying GST number in a prominent manner. Question number 56. Application for cancellation of GST registration is to be given in form. Answer. GST REG 16. 16. 16. Question number 57. Penalty for failure to furnish information return shall not exceed dash as per the Central GST Act. Answer. Rupees 5,000. Question number 58. When the amount of tax involved is less than 5,000 rupees, the breach shall be considered as answer minor breach. Question number 59. The GST collected by a registered person is to be paid on or before dash of the next month. 20th. Answer 20th. Question number 60. When service of a firm from an outside state is when service of a firm from an outside state is used, what can the firm claim along with the charge for the service in the invoice if the firm is liable to pay GST for the service? Answer IGST. Question number 61. Which state was not covered when the Indian Contract Act 1872 came into effect? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 62. The person accepting the proposal is called dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer promisee. Question number 63. When is a contract completed according to the Indian Contract Act? Answer. When an offer made is accepted. Question number 64. Dash is to be there when two or more persons agree upon the same thing in same sense as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer. Consent. Question number 65. A proposal when accepted becomes answer promise. Question number 66. Act fitted to deceive is dash in terms of Indian Contract Act. Answer fraud. Question number 67. What happens to the agreement when both parties are under mistake as to matter of fact? Answer void. Question number 68. A promises for no consideration to give to be rupees 1,000. A promises for no consideration to give to be rupees 1,000. This is a dash agreement. Answer void. Question number 69. A agrees to sell to B 100 tons of oil. This agreement is void for correct answer uncertainty. Correct answer uncertainty. Question number 17. Question number 70. 70. A dash is a contract to do or not to do something if some event collateral to such contract does or does not happen. Answer contingent contract. Question number 71. A dash is the delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract with terms for return or disposal. Answer bailment. Question number 72. A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic. Is the agreement valid or void? Answer void. Question number 73. What is not true with regard to agent's duty in conducting principal's business? Answer. An agent can do anything without making laws disregarding the directions of the principal. An agent can do anything without making laws disregarding the directions of the principal. Question number 74. A dash is a person employed by and acting under the control of the original agent in the business of the agency. Answer, sub-agent. Question number 75. A contract by which one person promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promiser himself or by the conduct of any other person is called, answer, contract of indemnity. Question number 76. Consent is said to be free when it is not caused by, answer, coercion, undue influence, fraud or misrepresentation, all of the above. Question number 77. If A finds B's purse and gives it to him, B promises to give A rupees ₹50. Is this a contract? Answer, contract. Question number 78. In case of dishonor of check of insurance premium, dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer, that insurer need not perform his part of promise. Question number 79. The person who gives guarantee is called dash in the Indian Contract Act. Answer, surety. Question number 80. The bailment of goods as security for payment of a debt or performance of a promise is called, answer, pledge. Question number 81. The sane man who is so drunk that he cannot understand the terms of a contract. Answer, cannot contract while the drunkenness lasts. Cannot contract while the drunkenness lasts. Question number 82. As per the Indian Contract Act, a person who finds goods belonging to another and takes them into his custody is subject to the same responsibility as a, answer, bailee. Question number 83. X agrees to sell a horse worth ₹1,000 for ₹10 to Y. X denies that his consent to the agreement was freely given. Who shall decide the nature of consent? Answer, court. Question number 84. An agent for sale may have goods repaired as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer, agent can repair. Question number 85. Which is not allowed for termination of agency? Answer, as per the decision of the agent. Question number 86. The consideration or object of an agreement is lawful when it is, answer, in line with public policy. Question number 87. A tradesman leaves goods at B's house by mistake. B treats the goods as his own. Should B be bound to pay A for them? Answer, yes. Question number 88. Who cannot be employed as an agent? Answer, a person of the age of maturity and of sound mind. Question number 89. A guarantee may be dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer, either oral or written. Question number 90. A promises to obtain for B an employment in the public service and B promises to pay ₹1,000 to A. Is the agreement void or valid? Answer, void. Question number 91. Agreement in restraint of dash is not void. Answer, marriage of minor. Question number 92. A leaves a cow in the custody of B to be taken care of. The cow has a calf. B is bound deliver dash to A. Answer, both cow and calf. Question number 93. Who is responsible to the principal for the acts of sub-agent? Answer, agent. Question 94. A promises to paint a picture for B. Which is true of the promise? Question number 94. A promises to paint a picture for B. Which is true of the promise? I repeat, question number 94. A promises to paint a picture for B. Which is true of the promise? Answer, A must perform this promise personally. Question number 95. Which is not a way of revocation of proposal made? Answer, by not communicating the intention of revocation. I repeat, answer, by not by not communicating the intention of revocation. Question number 96. Dash means an agreement whereby the nominal plaintiff agrees with the maintainer to share with or give to him a part of whatever is gained as the result of the suit maintained. Answer: Champertus agreement. Question number 97. I repeat, question number 97. Agreements by way of wager are dash as per the Indian Contract Act. Answer: void. Question number 98. A empowers B to let A's house. Afterwards, A lets it himself. It is an example of implied revocation of agency. Question number 99. The pony can retain the goods pledged for the expenses he incurred for the performance of the pledge except answer for making reasonable profit for reasonable length of time. Question number 100. The contract is extended to Sikkim in answer 1984. Thank you.